Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a look at the Blackview Tab 9 tablet. Speaking of this Blackview brand, you might have heard of it through their regular phones, which I personally had tested a few in the past years, and I was really impressed with the quality. But for this Tab 9, it's just a normal tablet, no fancy durable features, so don't expect me to drop it or boil it like I did previously. So, is it any good? Let's find out. The Blackview Tab 9 packs its hardware in an 8.9mm thin case with matte coating. You can choose between the colors gold and gray, with the display edges of the gray version being black and those of the gold version being white. Speaking of the display, it has a size of 10.1 inches, the resolution is Full HD at 1920 by 1200 pixels and comes in a 16:10 aspect ratio. Above the panel, a 5MP selfie camera finds its place. The gold or gray back is simple and tidy. A single 30MP snapper and an LED flash find their place in a small camera element. The manufacturer's brand name is fixed in the middle, and Blackview has placed some disposal instructions underneath. There is a USB-C port in the frame of the tablet. Blackview presents a few more compatible accessories together with the Tab 9. So is a shell of synthetic leather in the scope of supply. In addition, keyboards can be magnetically connected to the tablet. Bluetooth keyboards are of course also supported. However, Blackview doesn't offer a stylus, and yet they didn't send me the keyboard as well. Responsible for performance is the Unisoc UMS512 processor, which was built using 12nm technology. And the CPU is Mini-G52 MP2. We ran under the benchmark and tested a bunch of games there. It may not look that impressive if you have checked any middle to high-end 2021 phone, but enough to handle our daily tasks like watching videos or taking notes, Teresa. Besides, this is a $160 tablet. I wouldn't complain about that too much. And you will love this tablet if considering other features I'm about to say. It has a smooth OS, the user interface is very nimble and fast without any freezes or lags. Also on board, the OS was already installed a set of Google services with all applications such as YouTube, Chrome, and others. You will be comfortable using the interface. What I really liked about the Tab 9 is the battery. Inside the body is a battery with a capacity of 7480 mAh. The manufacturer promises about 6 hours of battery life while watching movies or playing games. During my test, I can almost reach that at a half brightness level and volume. If I don't use it heavily, then it can easily last for one day. Last but not least, there is the camera and speaker. Blackview has installed a 30MP sensor on the back and a 5MP camera on the front. And if you are wondering about the image quality, here are some. The Tab 9 features a high amplitude dual speaker system. The sound I personally feel not bad.
Chasing, leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.
I've been with Blackview Tab 9 for over 3 months, and I was left with a rather positive impression. It offers a number of advantages that I can easily recommend. Compared to those normal phones, it has a larger screen, so you will have a better viewing experience. That's why I always use it in my other videos, as you can see. Second is the overall performance. It has a fairly decent gaming performance, the camera is fine, the sound is okay. And lastly, of course, is the build quality and the materials used. It feels robust and reliable, especially considering its budget price. And speaking of the price, currently Blackview is offering at its best price at $159.99, which you can find in the description. Don't miss it. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one.